Road.
Sir. Final 800 rupees last, sir, please.
800, okay.
Hold me, hold me.
Hello to all the wonderful people out there. This is my first video. My name is Satya and I'm from Kerala. So this is a small incident that happened in Bangalore while I was there on December 31st, 2020. So basically what you're viewing is a view from my dash cam. So as you have already seen in the intro, we were stopped by a cop, or should I say pirate of Karnataka, who convinced us that I had jumped a signal and will have to pay a fine. So as a native of Kerala, I don't understand a single word of Kannada, which puts me in a bad position here. So my friends have always told me, if you're caught by a cop in Karnataka, just bargain with them. So let me stop my blabbering and let you watch what happened exactly.
Motion detected for the vehicle ahead.
Turn right at Minerva Circle onto JC Road.
So in the background you can hear my son and my wife talking, and we are actually referring to a vlog which was pointing us to a Diamond Jubilee complex for car parking.
Continue on JC Road for 1 kilometer.
So as you can see, some people were trying to pull us over, not sure for what. Maybe they wanted to sell us something, or they were cops or something. So we didn't stop because we didn't see any cops uniform. But as you can see, they have already pulled over the Range Rover that was in front of us. And if you closely look at the number plates, it says TN registration, that is Tamil Nadu registration, from which you can understand that he was an outsider. So, looking at the person who tried to stop us, you can see that he is clearly a police impersonator. So, he is not wearing any boots here, and his pants are in khaki color, and he is also wearing a sweater, which makes it hard to check whether he's a cop or not.
Vehicle ahead. Turn left onto Mysore Road, NR Road, then turn right onto Pelvan M. Krishnappa Road.
Now, this is the junction where the cop catches us and says that we have jumped a signal. So in this frame, you can see that we already had a green signal here pointing the arrow to the left side. So that means we could theoretically take left, and I did not see any red signals that stopped us from taking the left. And I also see that there are so many vehicles in front of us who are taking the same left. So let me just reframe my camera so that you can see the entire thing that my camera captured.
Turn right onto Pelvan M. Krishnappa Road, Sunkalpet Main Road, then turn left onto Sedarpatrippa Road.
ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ പോലീസുകാർ അന്നേരം ആ പോലീസുകാരനെ കൈ കാണിച്ചു അവിടെ വെച്ചിട്ട് ഒരു പോലീസുകാരൻ കൈ കാണിച്ചു
Sir, signal on ಆಗ್ತದೆ sir. ಹಂಗೆ ಹಾಂ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ.
എന്ത്
ನಾವು ಕಾಶಿ ಮೇಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಮತ್ತೆ First point to receipt when sir. कमी பண்ணி கொடுங்க சார் कुछ कमी பண்ணி கொடுங்க फर्स्ट टाइम ओनली फर्स्ट टाइम बैंगलोर रूल्स है सर रूल्स
எங்க தெரியாது சார் எங்க தெரியாது சார்
ರೋಡ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ
ರೋಡೇ ತಿಳಿಯಲ್ಲ
1000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್
1000
1500 ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ರೆಸಿಪ್ಟ್ ಏನು
ಸರ್ 500 ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
என்ன
ಸರ್
சார்
500 ಕೊಡಿ हम ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡೀನಿ 1000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಬಂದವಣ ಹಲೋ ಮೇಡಂ
കാശെല്ലാം കിട്ടിയാ
കാശ് ഇപ്പൊ പോയി കിട്ടി
என்ன சார் இது எனக்கு தெரியும்
ಅದು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಸೈನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಕಲ್ಲ ಕಾಪಿ ಸೈನ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಕಲ್ಲ
ഞങ്ങൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈം
5000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
1500 ಸರ್
സാർ
ಫೈನಲ್ 800 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
800 ಓಕೆ 800
പൈസ എല്ലാം കൊടുക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കണോ
ಚೇಂಜ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಚೇಂಜ್
പൈസ എല്ലാം പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കണോ അച്ഛാ
ಸರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್
ಹಾಂ ಕೊಡಿ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್
ഓളോ
200 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ
200 800 By this time, you have already seen that we had paid 800 rupees fine for a violation that we had not committed, and you can clearly see that the cop was lying, and we were sent to a place called Unity Building, and this is the place where we got fined another 500 rupees for having a magnetic retractable curtain or magnetic curtain. And the funny thing is that the curtain was placed on my wife's window, that's the passenger window, and my son's window. Unfortunately, my dash cam died after this stop, and we were looking for the Unity Building and place to park the car, so we didn't really have the time to fix the camera. But I do have footage of this person stopping another car and getting the bribe from the driver. So I would like to ask the head of police in Karnataka, what is the safety for travelers in your state? If your police people can cover their faces like this, cover their name tags, and then loot people in the daylight, so how are we supposed to move around in Karnataka or maybe Bangalore? It's not only the case in Bangalore, it's the entire Karnataka. I had the similar situation when I was crossing the border with Goa and Karnataka. So my question is, are you guys not paying for your police force, or are they so underpaid that they are forced to accept bribes in order to buy food for their families? So this is just a spoon of thought. Do whatever you can to fix it, please. This is a request from my end. So so that's all for this video. Hope I have not pissed anybody off. I was just showing you the real picture of Karnataka here. So bye bye, catch you in the next vlog.